What's up, guys? Want to do a quick video on the PZEM-061 watt meters. This is my circuit panel. Now on my particular panel, you will notice that I don't have a main service disconnect inside of my home, and it's because it's on the outside in my external panel that's coming from the pole. Now a lot of guys in their applications, they have one meter that's registering 240 volts. I particularly didn't want mine set up that way because I wanted to measure the actual watts that was on each leg, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Now this is the panel that's in the home, so we're going to move out to the studio area and I'll show you the second panel. Okay guys, this is the secondary panel which is in my studio, and the reason I have another panel back here is because my home is fairly large, so I have to have sub panels and so on, in which I have different meters hooked up. Now the other reason why I run two different watt meters on each leg, on each 120 volt leg, is because I'm going to be running, it's not necessarily to measure my what I'm using in electricity, even though it does that. What I'm doing it for is because whenever I have an outage and I connect my generator, I want to know what I'm actually using on each leg so that I can balance my load out on my generators. So that's why I have it on each leg. Most people just have it just for their home, not considering that if they have actual power outage, that they need to, that's my AC kicking on, that they need to actually be able to monitor what their generator is putting out and the load that's on each 125 watt channel. So this is what mine is putting out on each leg. Now, these are my generators, in which I have the Predator 8750. I also have a UST 5500, in which I'm going to be selling that one. And this is my big boy I just got, the Duramax Hybrid. It's dual fuel, propane or regular gas. And the 8750 is dual fuel as well. So now you might be asking, well, why would you run two generators? Well, instead of me paying $5,000 for a 20 kW or 22 kW, I would rather use these two so that I can monitor exactly what's going on. And this is for my main house, and this is for my studio. So collectively, you're looking at right at just say about right at 19,000 watts, or you can just say 20,000 watts. So that being the case, I have a 20 kW just in two different generators. So I'm happy with that. And if you look at actually running watts, that's 7,000, and this one is 10,000. So that'll do me good. 17,000 watts will do me way more than enough. So I'm happy with that. And that's why I have the two different circuit panels and sub panels that I have with the different watt meters, so I can know exactly what I'm running when I'm running my generators. Now, let me also say this about these watt meters. A lot of you guys go and buy I've done all the research. I'm an electrician and I build computers and do networking, different things of that nature. Now, a lot of you guys go and buy the MB75 for your transfer switches and all these different applications. Let me tell you something, man. You guys are killing yourselves paying $80, $100 per box when the only thing the box contains is just 2 watt meters, in which I'll probably post the link to how much the actual watt meters cost, the analog meters. Those meters are only $3 a piece. So all you're really doing is paying for 2 meters and metal, and you're paying $80 for that when the meters are only $2 a piece. And I'll post the meters to show you exactly what I'm talking about. You guys could actually just buy the meters and cut a hole in your circuit panel as you would do like a knockout, and just apply the meters, or just put the meters in a junction box or anything. Instead of paying $80, that'll just cost you $10. So, but I want to go the electrical route or the digital route, and so I bought. It looks way more cool instead of just having analog meters, and it light up and it give you exact ratings, in opposed to wondering, what is this and what is that. So that's the reason why I did my application this way. So stop killing yourself, guys, buying those MB75s and those MB125s. Just get you 2 of these. They're rated 100 amps and up to 20,000 watts, if I'm not mistaken, or 22,000 watts. So you'll be covered in every aspect. So that's what it is. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Give you one more. I'm gonna hit my air conditioner here, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. We're gonna get the compressor to kick on. There you go. Now you see how your wattage changed as far as the reading of it. Now I'm going to kick the compressor back off. Here we go. There you go. So you guys have a good one. This concludes the video.